One of the common challenge with option traders is moving strike price based on LTP. As a trader, you need to keep moving your needle to pick a right option at the right strike price. Keeping this problem in mind, I had developed a Streamlit based dashboard for Nifty and Bank Nifty index for Indian stock market. I am calling this dashboard as a toolkit. I will explain the reason for that later in this video. And this is the live application with the live data. In this, it displays the live index price and last traded price and expiry date and support and resistance based on open interest. And also, on top of all of that, visually you can see the open interest built up strike wise for call and put. And it can be, you can see for full screen for the clear view. Before we get started, I'm regularly publishing videos on artificial intelligence, Python, Java, and Node.js, and other technical and informative videos on tech nuggets. Please subscribe it, share it, and like it. Let's get started. Okay, let us do the code walkthrough. First thing, let's start with the requirements. What are the required libraries? One is request. This is to process the URLs, and then pandas for data frames, and NSE Python. This is NSE related functions. Streamlit for user interface. Streamlit auto refreshes for automatic refreshing. This is a custom component. Okay, now let's see the main application. First thing, let's see the inputs. That is request, JSON, math, datetime, pandas, NSE Python, Streamlit, and traceback for any exception handling, auto refresh. And I set this layout as a white so that it can display everything and you have header. Then we have some formatting console display for color, text, and background. That is a green, red, yellow, light purple, all that. This is only for the console display, some colorful display. Then we have to get the nearest strike, we have three functions. One is for Nifty and the other one is for Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty is 100, that is a nearest strike. Every strike goes with 100 and the Nifty will be strike goes with 50s. The important URLs we have, that is NSE URLs. All the data has been fetched from NSE site. That's the main URL. That is the option sign, option chain, and then we have Bank Nifty, Nifty, and all indexes. Then we have header because to fetch the data, we need to have header. Then we need to have a session to be set. Then we need to have some cookies. Now let us see the main function, what we are doing. First thing, we are doing the auto refresh for every 60 seconds and you are setting the counter for it. Then we have columns, NIP for Nifty and Bank Nifty, each one column. And we are getting the Nifty bank code with the NSE Python function and Nifty bank and Nifty code for Nifty 50. Then we'll call the set header. Then we'll get the nearest strike by passing Bank Nifty URL, getting the Nifty's strike by passing Nifty URL. Then also we are getting Nifty open interest data with get OI function by passing how many ranges you want and what is your strike difference. For example, for Nifty, we have 50 as a strike and I wanted to get two levels of value. So this is how the function look like. Okay. Go back to main. The same way we get it for Bank Nifty open interest data. And also we get highest C data, that is a call data, then by passing 10 ranges of highest call data with strike range of 50-50 for Nifty. Then we are calling the put same way, highest OI put, open interest put with the 10 or 50. The same thing we are doing for Bank Nifty also. Then finally, we are plotting the chart, open interest chart, OI plot with 5 ranges with the strike of 50, and Bank Nifty for strike of 100 and 10 ranges. So the main display, what you are seeing as the predominant display is a Streamlit metric component, which gives you the value and what is the percentage change or the change value. Here is a change value, not the percentage. It's an actual price value, price change. Then we have a color. This is the 6 columns to display all those 6 stripes. That is, say, 3 pairs, right? This is for Nifty and this is for Bank. And finally, we are having expanded to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty open interest chart. How am I running? So I have created a virtual environment called NSE option dashboard. Then I put the source file under SRC. Then I activated this. Then I'll go ahead and run the command called Streamlit run your Python programming, that is Nifty Bank Nifty options toolkit.py. Perfect. Okay, it's coming up. It's giving the display. Now let me explain the application, right? So what you see, the index price, as we speak, it's getting refreshed index price, and there is a LTP. So this is coming from different AP. It's fetching from other. So there is a slight deviation, LTP and this one, 2 different AP. That's why there is a slight variation. Okay, so imagine if you wanted to do this option trading manually, what would you do? You go for look for a strike, that is LTP, and pick a strike, and you will pick up particular call or put. So then it can be a ATM or ITM, OTM based on your requirement. Sometimes some people prefer ATM, some of them will go for ITM for risk free. OTM is anyway, it will become 0. Okay, so what exactly this particular dashboard does is it's pick exactly the right options at the strike, at the ATM, ITM, OTM for call and put together, along with support and resistance, and gives you the price, either it's increasing or decreasing on the corresponding option. For example, here it's increasing, and all the calls you can see in the green, and some of the calls are red. The reason being today is expiry. As I am recording this, it's expiry day also, and some of these options may go. It becomes single digit or 0 after 3:15. Okay, and another bold disclaimer: this is not option trading or recommendation video. It's only for purely educational purpose. Okay, so this is where I'm calling this dashboard as a toolkit, not as a dashboard, because it is saving you all of the hard work what you have to do. All this picking the right strike, picking the right option, and seeing the price where it's going up or not. Then based on that, you can now what you can do. So easily you can go ahead and start either buy or sell whatever the option at the right strike at the right option. So that is where this toolkit will help you. And also this your open interest built up will can visualize, and it can help you to take a decision. And the same way you can see for the Bank Nifty, you will see the expiry, LTP, and this changes will be little slow because this expiry is little far. So it also follows the same concept. And this dashboard can be customized for your need, and you can increase or decrease this pair of strikes or pair of options, call and put, as per your requirement, and it is extensible. You can change as per your need. So that's all I wanted to share it with you. Thank you for your time. If you like it, subscribe it, share it. Thank you. See you on the next one.